Thank you to the people over at Soulion for sending over this product sample of these Bluetooth speakers for your computer. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. There we go. This looks like we have some directions, and at the end of the video I'll show it all set up and how it works and everything. So really excited for this product. Gonna get quite some use out of it. So it looks like we have the two speakers that are in the wrap, which is nice to make sure that they are protected when they're being transported. And then you have the sound, which is nice. It's a big dial, which is awesome. And then it looks like you can change the lights. And again, I'm gonna fill around with this a little bit, and at the end I'm gonna show you a proper demonstration of this video. But really excited for this product. Stay tuned for part 2 where I show how to use it. Thanks. Alright, so setup was pretty easy. All I had to do was plug it in both slots right here, and it is automatically connected. I do like that the dial for the volume, you have this little thing on top that your finger can fit into, so you can go back and forth very easily when turning up the volume or turning down the volume. And I also do like that it has these lights here on the bottom. So let me turn this around here. So a couple different things that it can do on the dial here. You can see it has the light, and then it has the power or the mode, and I'll talk about that here in a second. With the light right now, you can just have the speakers going, you can have the lights off if you want, like this, or you can press the button and then it'll just be that still color right there, which is very cool. Still that it even has color. I myself am a teacher, so my kids will get a kick out of that, to have the speakers have color, which is nice. Or you can do the more pulsating one that goes with the sound of music or whatever it is that you are listening to at that time as well. So that's also nice. But you can turn it up, you can turn it down using the dial right here, which is nice, or you can use it Bluetooth. So that power button or M button that it has right here, you can press that. So if I press that here, shows up as C30. Sounds like it's searching for something right now. I go to connect, and now I'm connected. So now I can play, even though it's plugged in here, I don't need it plugged in here. I can have it unplugged and be playing Bluetooth from my device. You can use it with your phone, you can use it with your laptop, whatever it is that you need to use it with. But I really do like the features that it has with the lights and then the sound as well, that you can turn on, and the lights will change color. So it's just pretty cool, very aesthetically pleasing to look at. But thanks again to Soulion for the product sample of these speakers. I will get a lot of use out of them. I enjoy this product and hope you do too. Thanks.